Hi! This is Teacher Wen. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Sa video natin ngayong araw, ang topic natin ay solving rational equation. So kung gusto nyo matutunan kung paano mag-solve ng rational equations, keep on watching! Ayan! So sa video natin ngayong araw, yung mga ituturo ko sa inyong paraan ng pagsasagot ay yung sa tingin ko ay yung madaling paraan. So hindi natin susundin masyado yung solution na nasa libro. So let's proceed to example number 1. So x plus 2 all over x minus 1 is equal to 2p. Ayan, so kung susundin natin yung nasa libro, meron siyang 4 na steps. Tayo, medyo bibilisan lang natin. Okay? So dito, meron lang kayong dapat tandaan. Hindi ito applicable sa lahat ng klase ng rational equation. Pwede lang itong ganitong solution kung ganito yung itsura ng iyong rational equation. Ibig sabihin, single lang ito, single lang din dito. Okay? Kasi pagka dalawa na yung nahandito or yung nahandito or dalawang rational na, hindi na po pwede. Kailangan nating mag-combine kapag gano'n. Okay? So, dito, magagamit mo lang yan kapag single at single lang yung bawat side. So, i-apply natin ang cross product. Okay? So, itong denominator ng rational expression sa kanan ay i-multiply mo doon sa numerator doon sa kaliwa. Ito, ganun din ang gagawin mo. So, cross product. Okay, so ito ay magiging 5 times x plus 2 equals 2 times x minus 1. Then, isosolve mo lang siya by using properties of equality. Pero tayo, medyo gagawin natin yung mas madaling paraan. So, multiply na lang muna natin ito. 5 times x is 5x. 5 times 2 is 10 is equal to 2 times x is 2x and 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. So, we have 5x. So, sa halip na addition property of equality ang i-apply natin dito, okay, yung shortcut niya ang gagawin natin. So, itatranspose natin at papalitan natin ang sign. Pero yung in-apply talaga natin doon ay addition property of equality, ha? Okay. Equals negative 2. So, same din ang gagawin natin sa 10. Okay? Lilipat natin, then papalitan natin ang sign. Okay, 5x minus 2x is 3x. Then we have negative 2 minus 10. So kapag nagsusubtract tayo ng integers, change the sign of the subtrahend. So ito ay positive 10, gawin natin negative, and then follow the rules of addition. So magiging negative 2 plus negative 10. So this is equal to negative 12. Okay, so divide both sides by 3. So sa long method, ang inia-apply dito ay multiplication property of equality. Pero dito, dinivide na lang natin both sides by 3. Okay, yun yung shortcut ng MPE. Okay, so x is equal to negative 4. So dito sa rational equation, mahalaga na lagi natin chine-check yung solution. Bakit? Kasi hindi lahat kasi ng lalabas sa solution dyan ay po pwedeng isubstitute dun sa x or masasatisfy niyo yung value ng x. Kasi bawal maging 0 ang denominator niyan. So, halimbawa dito, ayan, ang denominator niyan ay x minus 1. So, i-equate mo yan sa 0. X minus 1 equals 0. So, x is equal to 1. So, bawal maging 1 ang solution. Pero negative 4 naman ito. Para makasigurado tayo, i-check na rin natin. So, we have negative 4 plus 2 over negative 4 minus 1 equals 2 over 5 or 2 pip. Ayan, so negative 4 plus 2, we have negative 2. And negative 4 minus 1 is negative 5 is equal to 2 pip. Ayan, so negative divided by negative is positive. So magiging, okay, 2 pip na rin ito. So 2 pip is equal to 2 pip. Ayan, check. For our next example, applicable pa rin po si cross product dahil okay, single-single pa rin sila. So, pwede pa rin siya ganun, cross product. Okay, so 3 times x squared minus 2x minus 3. Ayan. Equals 4 times x squared plus 2x plus 1. Okay, so we have 3 times x squared, we have 3x squared. 3 times negative 2x, we have negative 6x. 3 times negative 3, we have negative 9 equals, okay, 4 times x squared, we have 4x squared. 4 times 2x, we have 8x. And 4 times 1, we have 4. And then, all we need to do is to combine similar terms. Gagawin natin siyang standard form. Kasi kung mapapansin nyo, quadratic yung kinalabasan natin. Okay, so we have 3x squared. Yung 4x squared dito, lilipat sa kabila sa negative 4x squared dahil naglipat tayo. Then, copy negative 6x. And then, yung 8x ilipat sa kabila, magiging negative 8x kasi positive siya. And then, copy negative 9. And then, yung positive 4 dito, lipat sa kabila, maging negative 4 equals 0. Pag kinumbay natin ito, this is equivalent to negative x squared. And then, pag kinumbay natin ito, this is equivalent to negative 14x. And then, pag kinumbay natin to, this is equal to negative 13, okay, equals 0. And then, para mas maayos natin yung kanyang standard form, kailangan gawin nating positive yung ating x squared. Okay, so, para maging positive, okay, multiply by negative 1. So, negative 1 times negative 1 is positive 1. So, magiging na itong positive x squared. Negative 1 times negative 14, we have positive 14. And then, copy x. Ito, ganun din. Magiging positive 13 equals 0. Okay, dito 0 pa rin. Ayan, so to solve this equation, okay, so since this is quadratic equation, and I guess this is factorable naman, we can apply factoring, okay? Solving quadratic equation by factoring. But you can still apply solving quadratic equation by using the quadratic formula. Pero mas madali kasi siya sa factoring kasi kita naman na siya ay factorable. Okay? Some factors ng first term ay x and x, and then factors lang ng last term. Okay, since 14 yung ating middle term at yung 13 naman ay prime number, so walang ibang factor yan kundi 13 at saka yung 1. Okay, since positive yung ating middle, parehong positive. Ayan. So, we have here x plus 1 equals 0 and x plus 13 equals 0. So, i-equate natin siya pareho sa 0. Here we have x is equal to negative 1 and x is equal to negative 13. Ayan. So, syempre, hindi pa rin tayo 100% sure na tama yung ating mga solutions na nakuha dito. Therefore, kailangan natin siyang i-check kung alin sa dalawa o pareho ba silang solution. So, simulan natin siya sa negative 1. So, we have here 3 over negative 1 squared plus 2 times negative 1 plus 1 equals 4 over negative 1 squared minus 2 times negative 1 minus 3. Ayan. So, we have here 3 over, yung denominator natin, this one is magiging, gamit tayo ng ibang color. Ito ay magiging positive 1. Ayan. And then, ito ay magiging negative 2. Ito ay magiging plus 1. So, 1 minus 2 is negative 1 plus 1 magiging 0. Okay. So, ibig sabihin, dito pa lang sa una nating rational expression sa kaliwa, masasabi natin na yung negative 1 ay hindi solution. Bakit? Kasi naging 0 yung ating denominator. So, hindi po pwedeng maging 0 ang denominator. Ibig sabihin, yung negative 1 dito ay hindi kasali sa solution. Ngayon, yung negative 30 naman ang i-check natin. So, we have, okay, 3 over negative 13 squared plus 2 times negative 13 plus 1 equals 4 all over negative 13 squared minus 2 times negative 13 minus 3. Okay, so we have here 3 over, so negative 13 squared, we have 169. Okay, and then we have here negative 26. Okay, plus 1. Here we have 4 all over 169 plus 26 minus 3. So 169 minus 26 plus 1 is equal to 144. So this one is 3 over 144. And this one, 169 plus 26 minus 3 is equal to 192. Ayan. Tapos, kapag ni-lowest term natin yung 3 over 144, this is equivalent to 1 over 48. And then, ito, ganun din, 1 over 48. Ayan. Check. Ayan. So, that's all for today's video. Sa susunod nating video ay yung medyo mas mahaba-habang example naman ang ibibigay ko. See you on my next one. Bye!